In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme Rush token on Binance Wallet. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your Binance Wallet by click wallet here in the top. And then in the Binance Wallet, make sure you have the balance, maybe USDT or BNB. You can deposit it first. After you deposit, you can go to your meme Rush here. You can click it. And then I will buy migrated token here, and let's say I will buy this token easy residence, and this is the charge, and this is not financial advice, this is only for example. So I will just click trade here, and then let's say I will buy 15 USDT, and I will just click approve and swap. And this is the confirm page. You can just click confirm, verify, and it's success, it's submitted, and it's success. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.